Hike, hunt, or work outside with plenty of comfort and protection from the elements in this silhouette from Bogs. This style is a complete waterproof high-top boot that's ready to hug your foot and keep it comfortable. The upper is made with a very high-quality rubber that keeps it very durable in the back for reinforced protection, and it uses a nylon upper to really keep it stretchy so it hugs your foot nicely, really wrapping around your calf. The inside has the Max Wick technology, keeping it dry on the outside by wicking away moisture on the inside. And it also has the DuraFresh lining to keep odors at bay in a supernatural way, so you can stay scent-free for all-day wear. It comes with a removable foam footbed that can be fully replaced. This version is made with the Bloom technology that takes some recycled algae and gives it a new eco-friendly home. Underneath, it has a durable synthetic and leather flocked outsole to give it incredible grip on the elements, making sure it's wet and dry surface ready, along with lots of flex.